Sexuality is a complex and multifaceted aspect of human identity. It encompasses an individual's emotional, romantic, and sexual attractions. Sexuality is not limited to a binary concept but exists on a diverse and fluid spectrum. People can be heterosexual, homosexual, bisexual, or asexual, among other orientations. Sexuality is influenced by both genetic and environmental factors, as well as personal experiences and cultural norms. It often develops during adolescence, but can be understood and explored at any age. Gender identity, which refers to an individual's sense of their own gender, is closely intertwined with sexuality, as it can impact who one is attracted to. Sexuality should be embraced and respected, and individuals have the right to express their sexual preferences without discrimination or harm. It is essential to engage in open and informed conversations about sexuality to foster understanding, acceptance, and support for diverse orientations. Education, communication, and consent play crucial roles in healthy sexual relationships. Ultimately, sexuality is a unique and integral part of human diversity that should be celebrated in a respectful and inclusive society.